Yo, 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 welcome back to the Red Crow Garage and a Sportster build, and here it is. Yes, the Sportster bobber build. Moving right along. Actually, we are moving right along here. We did get the, look at that, we got the lower legs off, and we're gonna get those powder coated soon. And oh, there's the old fork seals and the bushings and whatnot there, and getting this exhaust off right now. And I got this back piece off, but I thought I'd show you some of what I've been finding. Oh, let's get the trouble light here. Give you a better look. So if you look right in there, holy crap, holy, look at, oh shit, look at all that crap there. That actually was sharp. But look at this shit here. That's what's left of an exhaust gasket, and it is just trash dolo. So I'll have to get in there and get that all cleaned out at some point eventually. But man, that's ugly. What went on in there? Oh, light just went off. Yeah, and what else? Well, we did cut these off and started to grind them down a little bit, but I'll wait till I get that back tire off, the back wheel off, to give me some room to do the grinding. Unfortunately, I've run into a problem right in here. That one nut right there holding on that header pipe is giving me all kinds of trouble, like resto action. I got the other side off, and like you saw, the muffler and all that's off of here. So it's that one stupid bolt, and once that comes off, I'll be ready to order my my new exhaust. So I'm going to turn the camera off for 2 seconds and put it on the tripod while so I can give you an idea. I'm going to put a torch to it and see what happens. All right, let's take that out of there, and this. I'm going to start a fire. I think we'll just take that off of there for right now. Okay. Later, got a torch. I'm not sure how much butane's in here. All right, here we go. Well, let's see if this works. I got a wet rag ready to try to shock it, cool it off real quick, and we'll see. Hopefully that breaks it free. Oops. Shit. So she's hot now, I think. All right, let's see what happens. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. And usually a couple taps with a hammer should loosen that thing to the point where it'll come off of there. Kind of shock it a little. Maybe, let's see. Maybe glove here. I can't really get in there with a bigger wrench. Fuck! Ah, you son of a gun. Whew. That's a bitch, that one. That one's being real nasty. Son of a crap, holy fuck off. Oh, you're nasty. Oh, Jesus. Oh, having so much trouble with that piece. Oh, man. I might have to bring someone in to help me with that. Just don't know what to do. I can't get in there with my bigger socket because the outer edge here doesn't allow you to quite hook up. Oh, even if, I wonder. Oh, maybe. Huh. Yeah, not really. I could try again. Try again. I know what I want to get on it, but I'm having a hard time getting it on there. This baby. Get some leverage on that sucker. And I don't think I can get in there with this one. Oh, shit. Yeah, see? I can't. Son of a... Damn it. That's a bugger. Same with this one, too. I don't think that one will work. Almost. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. Oh, maybe. Here we go. I got it. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, snap the stud off. There was no other way to get that off of there. So, under the circumstances, I am going to... I think easier to just drill that out and get a new stud, so that won't be too critical. Yeah, that was just seized beyond. Holy crap, eh? Look at that. That was just super corroded on there. Looked like it's, you know what, to be honest, I swear to God, I would bet that's cross-threaded. Yes, I would. But anyhow, moving forward, got that, glad to see we got the exhaust off anyways. We'll carry on from here. So I'll give you another look here. This is the forward exhaust port, and if you take a look, that doesn't look good either. That exhaust gasket's basically melted and just glooped in there, so that's another one to clean up, but that's okay. Taking it all apart, I'll tell you. There we go. So as I've been taking this apart, I have been noticing that in a lot of cases there's bolts or nuts, whatever, that were surprisingly loose. Stuff that should have been torqued down, and I was all like ready to break that, you know, that off, and then next thing you know, I put a wrench on it and it was just like, huh? It was just, you know, tightened. So definitely not torqued. Anyhow, so good thing in, you know, tearing apart various bits and pieces off this thing, and yeah, finding, you know, the maintenance that probably wasn't done, and or not very well. So we're going to rectify all the little issues, and before we put it back on the road, it'll be tiddly boo. Anyhow, thanks for tuning in. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. Really hard at it trying to make to 500 subscribers. So if you don't mind, I'd appreciate it. It really helps out. Till later, yo, peace.